I was absolutely amazed all those pieces stayed on there. I went over to the sink and I scrubbed it with the toothbrush, and I really did expect one of them to be loose, but there you go. So what will happen now is I'm going to draw around here an outline, and sometimes what I prefer to do is do that with a Sharpie, because I can see it more, but it also gives a consistent, although it doesn't seem to be. I also moved the ones that I thought were too long. I took off and put down a little bit further. Things like that drive me nuts. Probably nobody else would notice. I think sometimes when you're so close to something, so I'll cut round there, and I'll also cut away the whole of the inside. So I'm going to leave a little ledge here on the outside, because I don't want to cut away the whole of the inside and the whole of the outside, because then it will just be the bezel. So I'll leave a couple of millimeters around there, and I will drill a hole. Excuse me, I had a lemon drop. I found one in the drawer. And I'll cut that all out. And the reason I do that is because this is quite it's not as bad as some of them, or I say bad, but it's not as thick as some of them, but I don't really like the stone to just sit on top. I like it to be more in the piece. So by doing that, I take away, I know it's only a couple millimeters, but it just makes it feel as though, for me, that it's sitting down. So I will take this out. I'll make sure the stone, it's not a stone, is it? It's amber. I'll make sure the resin thing can slip all the way through, so that when I solder this piece onto the other piece, it will sit down into that.